Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bridge your HICE tokens on the Binance Smart Chain to the HICE Open Network. So the website you're using for this is bridge.hice.io. That's the bridge website. Before we get into that, you need to install the HICE wallet. If you visit the HICE Open Network webpage, that's hice.io, you get this. You come to mainnet and then you select wallets. I'm going to open in a new tab. Once you select wallet, it's going to take you to Chrome Web Store for you to install the HICE Open Network wallet extension. Once you're done installing the extension, you launch it and you create or import a wallet, whichever one you need to do. So after creating a wallet, you set your passcode. This is my wallet I've created here, which I have 0 HICE on it presently, as you can see. So then the next thing, I want to show you my Metamask. You need to have your Metamask installed as well. This is my Metamask. I'll show you the HICE token. So this is my Metamask, and I've switched to Binance Smart Chain. To switch, you could always come here. If Binance Smart Chain is now among your network, just scroll down to additional network. You will see Binance Smart Chain, and you can add it to your Metamask. So before you proceed, you need to have all the tokens you want to use for this bridging. You need to have them on your wallet. Let me open this again. So for you to bridge HICE on Binance Smart Chain to HICE Open Network, what you need is you need the HICE token, and as well as BNB to cover for the gas fee. Don't know why this keep asking me to back up. I don't want to do any backup yet. So as you can see, it shows here that I have HICE token and I have the BSC on this wallet. The HICE token is worth $21. That's 5,224 HICE. And for the BNB, let me show you my balance is $1.69. That's about 0.00271 BNB. So we'll go back to this bridge website and connect wallets. Now my wallet is successfully connected, and my Metamask needs to be on the Binance Smart Chain network, which is there. So for the HICE amount, I want to do max. So I tap on max. This is it, 5,224, 4225. So for my HICE Open Network chain receiver address, I would open my HICE wallet. As you can see, what I have is 0 highs. So I'm going to copy my wallet address up here and I will paste it here. And the next thing I want to do is start the bridging. Tap on transfer. It's not popping up yet. So just check again. Let me close this. Come back here. It's not giving me the feedback, so I would try again. Something's not right. Let me refresh. So connect wallets. Max, and I paste the address. Okay, now it's submitting transaction. So you just need to keep trying. At the point it's going to pop up. So I'm supposed to accept, I'm supposed to confirm the transaction. So I'll go ahead and confirm. And also confirm this. So the transaction is confirmed. I think there is one more confirmation for me to do. This one says success and the rest are still not going through. So let me cancel. I think I sent this request multiple times. So when you're doing this, I would just suggest you tap once and give it some time. Okay, so it says my transaction is complete. Let me see. Is the highest still on this wallet? Okay, it's still here. Let me paste this again. So this, you need to be patient with this. It might take some time to pop up. Just be patient, and as it says completed. So this transaction has been submitted successfully here, and it needs 12 blocks confirmation for me to receive this ICE token on my ICE wallet. So this is the confirmed block, 5/12. So we'll keep watching this. I can close the extension now. Now is 11/12. So after 12 confirmation, the Highs token should be deposited to my Highs wallet. I check my Highs wallet once the confirmation is complete. So now it's 12/12. See? Blocks confirmed, oracles voted, Highs sent to you. And now you can see the Highs on my wallet. As you can see, it's 5223.5, what's 21.71 in dollars. So that's how you bridge your Highs token from your Binance Smart Chain to the Highs Open Network blockchain. If you come back to my Binance Smart Chain, you will see that the Highs token has been taken out of my wallet. So what I have left here is the BNB after I've paid for the fee. So that's how you bridge successfully. If you don't understand any part of this video, please drop a comment for me, and do well to check the description of this video. I'm going to leave this URL as well as this, and I would also leave the Chrome extension link in case you want to do this from your phone. It's simple. You could do it from your Metamask browser. For the Highs wallet, what you're copying is just the wallet address. So it's quite easy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.